Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to be trying a mask and bringing my curls back to life. So I'm sure you guys have already seen a ton of other naturals use this mask. It is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. Now, from the videos I've seen, it gives the most amazing results when it comes to curl definition and just bringing your curls back to life. So I'm going to be mixing it with the organic apple cider vinegar. And I was going to just use water, but I know a lot of people said it doesn't give you the same results or the same like mixture, I guess. So yeah. So I did not use any measurements with this mixture. I just pretty much used my eyes. I eyeballed it, so I added the clay mask first, and I believe you're not supposed to use metals, so make sure you're putting it in like plastic or something, because I think metal can take away from the benefits. But anyways, then I added the ACV and it like started bubbling, which from other videos it is supposed to do. So I just added enough until it had a good consistency, wasn't too like thick still, but it wasn't like watery. So I am just parting my hair. You do want to make sure that you're working in smaller sections just so that you can really get the clay onto your strands. And I will be spraying each section with water because you do not want to apply this on dry hair. So definitely make sure your hair is already wet, or just make sure that you have a spray bottle on hand, and you do not need to shampoo or condition or anything. This is made to get rid of dirt and impurities, so it's going to cleanse your hair. Now I did go ahead and put on a towel because this can get a little messy. I had like chunks and a little bit of it like flying on the floor, so make sure you have a towel and whatever else you need. And yeah, let me just get started because I feel like I'm talking a lot now. Now, like I said, I am going to be spraying my hair with water because you want to make sure you're working on damp or wet hair. And my hair, I wish I would have like at least tried to detangle it before I started this because my hair was really tangled, which kind of made this process a lot longer. But anyways, I am going to start applying the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. Now I want to get into some of the benefits. The Indian clay, like I said, is supposed to cleanse and get rid of like dirt and toxins, so it is meant to detoxify your, or detox, not detoxify, I think detox your hair. It can also help get rid of buildup that we can get from like products and stuff, and then it also just helps with conditioning, softness, and you will see it helps so much with curl definition and curl poppage. So yeah. And then the apple cider vinegar that's in it also helps with like itchiness and flakes if you have like, a bad scalp or itchy type of scalp. And it also, ACV, helps with like shine and moisture retention. So a bunch of good benefits just from this one mask. So I am just working this into my hair. I did notice that this first section was not like as wet as I wanted it to be, so it felt a little weird putting it onto my hair. Like it felt, I don't know how to explain it. Like it kind of felt like dry. I don't know how to explain it. But once I did start putting more water onto my sections, it definitely felt a lot better. It made my hair feel soft, and it definitely had a lot more slip. So just make sure you have enough water on your hair. But yeah, I'm just working that into my strands, and it's definitely very elongating. I noticed like it made my hair very elongated, and this section didn't have a lot of water, so it didn't curl up as much as the other sections, but I'll show you guys in just a second the rest of my hair. So it took me about, I would say, 30 minutes to apply all of this to my hair. I surprisingly made just enough, so I'm taking the remainder that I scraped up and just applying it all over my hair, and then I will give you guys like a 360 of my definition. And y'all, my curls were so defined. They were super elongated. It was amazing. So this definitely just, I feel like it just definitely brought my curls back to life. So I was definitely excited to see what it looked like once I rinsed it off, because that's where like the real results come in. So yeah, I'm just going to let this sit until it like gets hard, I guess, and then I'll rinse it off and show you guys. So rinsing my hair was very easy. I just put my head underneath the running water and it just came, don't mind Samaya in the back. It came right out, and it made my hair feel so soft as I was rinsing it, you guys. Like, my hair, I don't even know how to explain it. It was just so soft, which I was not expecting because my hair was super duper hard, honestly. I was like, okay, this probably is not going to work, but no, super soft. And then I'll show you guys what the curl definition is looking like when it's all rinsed out. Super duper defined. Like, it, I don't know what it did. It just, I feel like it just rejuvenated my whole entire head. Now I do usually get a lot of good definition when I rinse my hair with water, but this, if you see the bounce back, like, it was just amazing. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to try out this mask. If you do, highly recommend you guys to follow up with a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, because I did still have a little bit left over on my scalp. Wasn't much, but I do feel like you do want to get it all out of your head, and then you can follow up with your favorite conditioner if you want, or you can just co-wash right after. So whatever you feel, you know, like you want to do, but follow up with something just to make sure you really get it off your scalp. But other than that, I highly recommend this mask. Let me know if you guys have tried it or not. I'll put links down below to where you can get the ingredients. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.